Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be talking and showing us everything about tech. Actually, I'm a data analyst. I work for Ankali Intel currently. So, and I'm a computer science student too. So, which gives me leverage in a lot of areas when it comes to tech, science, computer and all. So, I'll be sharing my knowledge here with us on this channel. We will be talking about different areas when it comes to data analysis, different tools, different terminologies, and different technical stuff in data analysis that will be demystifying here, and also data science too. Then, when it comes to Power Platform too, I'm also vast in that area. So, I'll also be sharing tips with us when it comes to machine learning and artificial intelligence at large. Also, when it comes to computer, be it software, some tricks when it comes to computer, I'll also be sharing that with us. But for this particular video here, I'll be taking us and showing us a trick in Excel. This trick happened to be a trick whereby you can convert a text file, a text cell, some text cells or columns or rows in your Excel, where you can convert it to numbers. There are some issues, some situations whereby you when you the situation whereby this thing happen is when you import, like in an image, you extract numbers from an image and you extract it, you convert it to an Excel format. Excel will see it as a text, so the format will be very different. Whereas you need it as a number format, but Excel won't see it that way. And if you check YouTube, there are different videos that talked about converting text file to number format. But those particular videos, they don't talk about this particular one I want to talk about. That's why I see it as appropriate to actually share it with us, because while I encountered the problem too, it took me a whole lot of time. It took me a while to be able to get down to the solution. So, in order for others not to have this kind of challenges in the future, I just deem it fit to share with us. So, I'll take us to my Excel now and show us the format I'm talking about. So, these particular figures here, I extracted them from an image. So these numbers, can you see these ones? They are number formats normally, and the way you can know number format is that it's highlighted to the right. But these ones, they are highlighted to the left, meaning Excel sees them as text format. Even if I highlight them like this, and you see this particular place, you can see it's general. Now, even if I change it to number format here, it doesn't change anything, because this one is more, Excel see as text file, but then still couldn't recognize it. Why? Because if on a norms, the normal videos you will see, if Excel recognizes a particular value as text rather than numbers, there will be an asterisk here. There will be a green image here that shows that there's an error with this particular cell. And if you click on that, it will show you that okay, this particular cell is formatted as text, which is an error. Do you want me to convert it to number for you? And if you click on that, it will, from this left, it will move to right. But that is not happening here, because even Excel itself couldn't see this as text. But yes, it is text because it is highlighted to the left. So now the trick I'll be showing us is that you need to convert. There's a two-step way to this. We have to remove the spaces and miss these values. That's why it's actually highlighting to the left. So if I highlight this like this and I come to find and replace, I'll just say, okay, I want to find space. You click on your space bar, find all, When I find out I come to replace, then replace with nothing. When I replace it, you can see it's replacing every value. It's replacing every value in this particular sheet that have space. Can you see? There are a lot of values in it because I literally all the values here, all the numbers, I literally extracted them from an image. So you can see they are a whole lot. That's why it's taking some time to do. Can you see 9,165 replacements? Good. Can you see now that here we now have everything highlighted to the right, which is the normal thing. But if I say, okay, I want to go a step further, I will say, okay, let me highlight it and say, okay, for instance, this particular one I highlighted, I will just put a comma there, then remove the zero. So you can see it has changed to the normal one that I actually wanted. So it's as simple as that. Because on the norms, the normal routine of converting from text to numbers won't do this for you. Trust me, I've tried all those formats, all those styles, none worked. Only this particular solution worked. So thank you very much, and till I come your way another time. My name still remains unstoppable. Thank you.